Shashi Pandey from Tagore Public School, Surajgarh. As I have discussed several lectures in previous days, today I will discuss on the topic incomplete dominance and codominance. First of all, what is means of incomplete dominance? As the word incomplete means it is not complete. It is not complete dominant trait developed by the parents. It means dominant traits cannot influence completely on the recessive trait, but in the incomplete dominance, a different type of trait produces in the first filial generation, and incomplete dominance also shows a peculiar property, a peculiar difference than the normal monohybrid cross in the F2 generation. In the F2 generation, phenotype ratio is 1:2:1. Although in case of simple monohybrid cross, the phenotype ratio in F2 generation is 3:1. How it is possible? Please look here. Incomplete dominance. First of all, what is incomplete dominance? I can define this. When dominant trait cannot influence totally, cannot influence the effect or their effect due to absence of enzyme, or absence of factor. Hence, a different trait develop in F1 generation. Different trait develop in F1 generation called incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance can explain by the help of taking example as Antirrhinum majus. In case of Antirrhinum majus, which is called as snapdragon, where snapdragon, if red flower cross with the white flower, here red flower has shown by the symbol capital R, although white flower has shown by the symbol small r. These are parent. Then gamete production take place as a result of meiosis. These gamete separation occur in the case of crossing over, and during the zygote formation in F1 generation, the gametic fusion occur, which result production of a type of heterozygote, or this heterozygote has a different color, which is pink color flower. So pink color flower produces by the red flower and white flower cross in F1 generation. It shows the incomplete dominance because a different types of trait produces which is differ from both parent. If the self-pollination occur between the pink color, then as a result of self-pollination in the F2 generation, there is production of the pink flower take place beside the red flower and white flower, which can shown by the help of Punnett square. This is male gamete symbol, this is female gamete symbol, and male gamete are capital R, small r, female gamete are capital R, small r. As we know that male gamete cross with female gamete, then the capital R zygote develop, which has red flower. But if the capital R cross with small r, then pink flower produces. In the next one also pink flower produces, but in the last production of the white flower occur. So white flower and red flower are found only one. In this way, the phenotype ratio become as 1:2:1 and genotype ratio based on the gene, as this is homozygous condition for the red flower and heterozygous condition, these are two for the pink flower, and homozygous condition for white flower. So in this way, the incomplete dominance case, it is found that the different types of trait are, you can say, as giving the example of snapdragon, which botanical name is Antirrhinum majus. When Antirrhinum majus red flower cross with white flower, which has the factors like capital R for red flower and small r for white flower, then gamete formation occur as capital R, small r. In the first filial generation, when the heterozygotes produces as capital R, small r has pink color flower. So pink color flower is different than the red flower and white flower due to the absence of enzyme, due to the absence of factors, means which factors? Dominant factor. Absence of dominant factor, generally this is dominance factor, hence a different trait developed in F1 generation called incomplete dominance. As in F2, after self-pollination of the pink color flower, in second filial generation, the 4 flowers is, one is red flower, another 2 are pink flowers, and one is white flower. So phenotype ratio is 1:2:1 and genotype ratio is 1:2:1 in the incomplete dominance. As I have discussed about the incomplete dominance in details, as you saw that by taking the examples Antirrhinum majus, which is called as snapdragon. Another good example is Mirabilis jalapa, which is called as 4 o'clock plant, in which case also red flower when crossed with white flower, then pink flower develop in F1 generation, shows the incomplete dominance. and phenotype ratio in the F2 generation is 1:2:1, which is generally in normal case in F2 generation in monohybrid phenotype ratio is 3:1. So in case of incomplete dominance, phenotype ratio and genotype ratio are found same, 1:2:1. Now I want to discuss about the next topic, that is the codominance. What is means of codominance? Codominance means the environment of when both parents involve equally to produce a F1 generation. Then the factor term given by the G.J. Mendel, which is nowadays known as gene. Factor for F1 comes from the male reproductive part and male reproductive part in case of flower means the stamen, but in case of human, male reproductive part is testis and female reproductive part in case of human is as ovary. Develop the gametes as male gamete. Male gamete means sperm and female gamete means ovum. When gametic fusion occur, then offspring means daughter or son. Offspring has the gene of both parents equally participation. Both parents equally participation called as codominance. Codominance is found, as good example is in human ABO blood group. In human ABO blood group, generally it is found that blood group A has two types of gene, IA and IA, generally referred as IA as homozygous condition. and sometimes this blood group refer contain the gene IA, IO or may spelled as IA, IO are known as heterozygous condition. If the homozygous condition as the father blood group is A type, suppose here a cross occur if father which generally has A blood group and cross with the mother which has B blood group, then it is found that the A blood group as homozygous condition may explain by the symbol IA, IA and B blood group by the symbol IB, IB in the parent which has shown by letter P. When the meiosis occur in the testis as male reproductive part in human, then male gamete produces called sperm and meiosis occur in the female reproductive part which is called as ovary. Gamete produces in the form of the female gamete called ovum. These sperm and ovum are called as gamete, but these contain the gametes in the blood group form as these gametic separation occur in the meiosis as shown by the symbol IA, IA, IB, IB. When the such type of gamete fuses in F1 generation, then a type of condition arises like IA, IB, IA, IB. It means the all offspring are with AB blood group. All spring are with AB blood group, and this condition involves when the blood group A of father has homozygous condition contain the genotype IA, IA. Likewise, in the mother blood group B, which also contain the gene IB, IB as homozygous condition. In this case, if such type of blood group parent involved in the mating, then gamete production occur during the meiosis in the form of sperm in case of male and in the form of ovum in case of female. These gamete has gene in the form of IA, IA in the father and in the form of IB, IB in the mother as a parent. Here in the F1 generation, when gametic fusion occur and zygote formation take place, in the zygote a condition arises where zygote has IA, IB type of gene. So IA is the allele of IB IA is the allele of IB. And Mendel told that genes are factor, because Mendel told factor term earlier, which is called gene by Johansson in 1909. Mendel told that factors are present in the pair form. Pair means two in number, but they cannot affect to each other in the pair and influence their traits separately during the gamete formation and after the gametic fusion. As here IA is found in the pair form, but this IA do not affect the second IA. Likewise, IB also found in pair form, but this IB do not affect the second IB. This condition has told by the Mendel. As later on, it has discussed that according to Mendel's law of dominance, in the F1 generation, only dominant characters appear. Like if tall plant cross with dwarf plant, then only tall plant appear in F1 generation. This is called as law of dominance. But in case of codominance, which shows variation than the law of dominance, like the incomplete dominance also. But this type of variation is deeper than incomplete dominance, because in case of incomplete dominance, there is no involvement of the equal participation of the parent occur, and different types of trait develop in F1. In case of codominance, equal involvement of both parent occurs in the development of the trait in F1 generation. As I explained here, a father which has blood group A, mother which has blood group B, then the F1 generation means offspring which generally has blood group AB. It means AB blood group comes from the father and mother, both participation and equal participation, and this is good example of codominance, as stating the example of human ABO blood group. As in case of blood group B, I can explain here for blood group B, which either has IB, or you can show like IB in the homozygous condition, or it may contain, as shown by the symbol IB as IBIO. So IBIO, which is heterozygous condition for the blood group B. These are the discussion about the codominance. I want to clear within short duration. Codominance means when both parent, here both parent means as male and female both, involved equally to produce a F1 generation, then the factor means genes for F1 comes from male reproductive part, like in human it is testis, and female reproductive part it is called ovary, which develop the gamete during the meiosis as male gamete, which is called sperm, female gamete, which is called ovum, and during the gametic fusion, the offspring has the genes of both parents equally participation, called as codominance. And good example has seen in the human ABO blood group. Human ABO blood group, which has discovered by the Karl Landsteiner, first of all, told that human has blood group as 4 type of phenotype: blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, and blood group O, and 6 type of genotype like IA, IAIO, IBIB, IBIO, IAIB, and IOIO for blood group O. IAIB for blood group AB. So 6 type of genotype, in which the good example for the codominance, blood group A in father and mothers has blood group B. Then after the gamete formation, gametic fusion, production of F1 generation in the form of daughter of son, which has AB blood group. This is the explanation about the codominance. So these are the decision about the incomplete dominance and codominance, which are shows variation than the law of dominance given by the Gregor John Mendel. Although according law of dominance, which told that the trait appear in F1 generation is called dominant trait, and that trait is not appear or hidden in F1 generation is called recessive trait. So dominant trait only appear in F1 generation. This is called as law of dominance. But in case of incomplete dominance, it is different. That is why the name has given as incomplete dominance. And in case of codominance, equal environment of both parents and new type of trait develop, like blood group A father, mating occur with the blood group B mother, then the AB blood group offspring produces either a son or daughter father. So these are the explanation about the topic incomplete dominance and codominance. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Super Classes. Thank you.